Hey, what's up everybody? Rami Z again. Wanted to do a quick video about red to green moves, and I've noticed this pattern working maybe like 7, 8 out of 10 times. And on my screen I have MTBC over here. This had a press release yesterday and the day before yesterday, the 25th and the 27th, about signing 2 new contracts. Today it had a little press release about they're gonna release earnings on May 10th or something like that. But like I was saying, these red to green moves have been working a lot for me, and it's when the stock like opens up red, takes a dip. Let me take you to a 1-minute chart just to show you guys better. So when the stock opens up and in the red, see the stock opened right here. So in the first 5 minutes, these are 1-minute candles. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It dipped down to about 135, and then it took a little spike here, but it didn't go red to green yet. It was still red on the day. But I kept watching this stock, and I learned this actually from Deckmar Trades, watching his channel about these red to green moves. First of all, it has to be like near 20 million float or under. This is a 3.36 million on the float, I believe. So as you see where the stock opened right here, this is where the stock turned green on the day. So if you would have put your order in right here, from 159, you could have sold out at maybe 170, 179, 180. So these patterns work about maybe 80% of the time. So I was waiting, actually on my plan yesterday it says dip buy on panic or watch for a red to green move. So you could have bought this stock right here on a dip buy on the panic, but just to be certain, you know, if you would have bought it right here, you would have crossed this. But just to be certain, where the stock passes the opening, see, the opening was at 159. If the stock passed the opening, it's usually a red to green move. We see all the volume coming in. So a lot of people came in on the red to green move, and it usually works most of the time. This is the third pattern I've seen this week that works when it goes red to green. So the stock has to be under a 20 million float, has a recent press release volume, and it needs to pass where the open mark is. So as soon as it passed the open mark, you see all this volume came in. That's just one of these stocks that went up on a red to green move today, you guys. I just wanted to share this little strategy. I know maybe a lot of traders know it, but some people don't, and I wanted to, just to make it safer, because I was in this stock over the weekend, and as soon as I seen it go down, I sold out and I took a loss. I took maybe $100 loss, but then I kept watching it just to re-enter it. It's better to just sell and then enter later for me, just in case it doesn't go red to green or keeps tanking, or so I took $100 loss. Now if I would have stayed in this, I would have been like maybe a few $100 loss, and I probably would have got my money back. So you could have bought here as soon as the first green bar started, but it was still red on the day. Just to be certain, it's better to buy right here. As soon as it crosses the opening point at 159, we buy here, and 1, 2, 3 minutes later you could sort of sold here, 175, 176, 177. And I think I entered right here at 160, and I just want to make sure it wasn't a fake out, or make sure it crashed. So as soon as it crosses 159, you want to put your order a penny or two above where it crossed, just to you got to make sure the stock proves itself. So as soon as it proved itself to me, and I seen a lot of volume coming in, I actually did a market order, and I sold it. I sold maybe half my position right here. I still have 500 shares left, and actually sold 475 or 425 shares. So I have only 75 shares left, but it went down a bit after that on a little panic. But it's Friday afternoon, so I'm hoping for a short squeeze. I've been watching this all day. Hopefully from 2 to 3 we'll have a little short squeeze where I could get sell the rest at 172. Right now we're at 160, so we're like 10, maybe 12 cents away from my buy order, my second buy order. But I just wanted to share this quick strategy with you guys. Just make sure it has a recent press release. The float is under 20 million. I was in one of these red to green moves the other day. I forgot what the stock was called, but as soon as it hit here, you know, a lot of volume came in and it couldn't cross. You know, it's like physics. Like the float was too high, so the wall was too hard to break. So as soon as this broke this wall, I knew it was a low float stock. It was like 3 million stock, and you know, I sold my position at 173, I believe. So I made like 13-15 cents a share on this. But I held a little more just in case for Friday afternoon short squeeze. But even if it doesn't, you know, even if I sell right here, I feel a little better because I locked in most of the profits. So just wanted to share this quick strategy with you guys. Thank you everybody for watching, and good luck trading. Thank you.